Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Maria and I'm the girl behind the blog, Sweet Life Housewife. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Allure beauty box for January 2020. My first unboxing, actually my second, I did a Stitch Fix already, but we're going to get started right away. Comes first of all with the little sort of booklet, and this tells you what all is inside of your box. Gives you a description. Looks like there is a mascara. You get usually one of two things on some of these. And it tells you about it. Kate Somerville Exfoliate. I love this. I got it in one of my boxes a while back. Maybe it was my box of style. And I absolutely loved it. So I'm excited because I actually had run out of that and I never replaced it. And I'm glad to get another one. So yay. Renewed Hope in a Jar water cream. And Acar Skin Lip Restoration, which I love lip stuff. I'm always putting stuff on my lips. I can't live without anything on my lips. And then I think these might be one or the other. There's a Perfect Shine Oil Mist, Vitabrid, Dual Drop Serum, which I love serums. Maybe I hope I got that one. And then Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. So we'll see what's inside mine because these sometimes you could get one, sometimes you could get the other. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Yay! Fun, fun, fun. Okay, so the Hope in a Jar water cream looks like it's in a travel size tube, which is great because I've already traveled to Los Angeles and Mexico this January, and I have a trip to London and New York City coming up, and also Massachusetts. So and the trip to Massachusetts is with my Chihuahua. So maybe I'll do an updated packing trip with my Chihuahua. Anyway, this is Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. I love Philosophy products, and I've never tried this one, but the Hope in a Jar for your eyes, I find so just, like comforting and soothing to the eye area. My skin is really dry. I have a thyroid problem, and so it makes my skin a little extra dry. Usually I had oily skin my whole life until I had a thyroid issue because I'm Italian and it's just like, genetic. And then once I got this thyroid issue, forget it. Dry skin all the way. So I really appreciate things that are really emollient and hydrating. The Perfect Shine Oil Mist, Color and Heat Protectant. And Natural Lab Tokyo. This is a great size for travel too. So let me see if I can open this, what it smells like. This might not be a quick open. Actually, yes. It smells really good. That's one thing for me is my sense of smell. If it doesn't smell really attractive to me, I'm not going to want to put it on my hair or my skin or anything. So anyway, the next thing is that lip restoration, Acar. If you know how to say it, please put it in the description, or not in the description, in the comments. Let me know how you're supposed to actually pronounce that. But it's a little pot like this, and let's see what it smells like. Of course, that's going to be important. Doesn't really smell like that much. Actually, it's got a nice, delicate kind of smell. I got these new nails with like this heart cut out, and now I've got the lip stuff stuck in my cutout. I'm gonna have to get that out. But it is a really light scent, which is nice because sometimes you don't want a competing scent on your lips, so I can appreciate that. The next thing that I'm going to open is the Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. Age Defying and Deep Hydration, just what I need, both of those things. And I love these travel sizes. I keep kind of going back and forth if I'm going to keep getting my box because I've got so much stuff that I haven't actually used yet. And this happened with Birchbox and I wound up canceling it. But I really like the products that come in the Allure Beauty Box. I feel like they really get, sort of the top of the line newest things that are out there. So anyway, it's a dropper, if you can see that. I'm not sure. But anyway, there's a dropper in here. This is the top of it. And you just put a couple drops on your skin. Let's see if I can smell it. Not too strong. Kind of just a light, delicate scent. It's pretty nice. Put that in And what is this one? Oh, this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. I've had this before and I do really like it. I already know. It's green and it exfoliates. It's kind of like a 2-minute miracle mask is kind of, I think, what they call it. You can use AM or PM once or twice a week. Apply to wet face for 30 seconds. Leave on for up to 2 minutes. Yeah, and then it's like a little mask. It's an exfoliate, or that's what it's called. It's exfoliating and it's a mask. For sensitive skin, you can leave it on for a minute. But this is really good. It makes your skin just like kind of glow after you use it. So I really like that one. I like Kate Somerville products. I've had a few of her things in the past. And then Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. So let's see what it looks like. I don't usually wear mascara because I have eyelash extensions. So this will probably go to either one of my stepdaughters or my sister or my mom. Wow, it doesn't want to come out. I don't want to break the box if I'm going to give it to somebody. Well, I'm not going to open it anyway, but it looks like it's kind of like a bamboo. I kind of wanted to show you guys. Dang it. Here we go. Yeah, it looks like a bamboo sort of container. Gifted. I love Tarte products. I have a lot of their highlighters and things like that and lipstick, and I really like Tarte. And this is a really neat packaging. Amazonian clay. And you get that earthy vibe from the packaging alone, so that's neat. All right, well, that's everything that I got in my box. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please stick around for some more of my style and fashion beauty videos. Thanks, have a great day.